Hello guys, back to your tutorial again. In the last video we implemented our shuffle button, and in this video we are going to give a life to our slider. So let's begin from the Viewdidload. I'm going to set our slider value in the beginning as 0.0. Now I'm going to set our slider maximum value as the player.duration, that is the duration of our song, before we start to play the song. So I will set here slide dot maximum value is equal to float player.duration. I'm going to copy this one and paste in every block here in the back and here in the shuffle and also here in the enter. Okay, now I'm going to schedule a timer inside our play button. Let timer is equal to timer schedule timer. I will select the one with the target option, and the time interval is going to be 0.01. Better we have to select a small time interval here. We need to update our slider value and also the current duration label without any delay, so prefer small value here. Do not put like 5 second 10 second, like it will give some delay. So target is going to be self, and selector method we will implement later. Let be our method name, let it be update slider. We'll update the slider, and user info is going to be nil, and we're going to repeat this first true. And now we are going to implement our update slider function. And we need to expose this one to Objective-C. Okay, now using the timer update, we are going to set the slider value slide.value as player.current time, and we are going to set the current duration as also, and we are going to display it on the label. For that, I'm going to use a variable as a constant. Let it be time. Okay, time is okay, whatever. Okay, time is equal to, we're going to convert our play dot in current time into int. Remember one thing, the player dot current time, it will return time in seconds. Suppose if it is 166 seconds, I can calculate 166 seconds, it has 2 minutes and 44 seconds. In order to get the minutes, we need to divide 166 by 60, because 1 minute has 60 seconds, and if we divide 166 by 60, both are int value, we will get 2. And in order to get the seconds, we need to minus 166 from the 60 into 2. So we will do this calculation here, because we are going to display minute and second both in our label. So let minute is equal to our time divided by 60. We need to convert it into string form. Let mince is equal to string of a minute, and now we will create for the second. Let's second, whatever, second is equal to we are going to, you can see here 166 is actually the time. We're going to subtract the time uh, from the multiplication of the 60 and our minutes. Okay, now we will convert our second into string. Let's sec is equal to string of sec. Okay, now we will display our string, that is actually current time. We have current duration label here. Current duration label dot text is equal to first is going to be min plus we will add string with a separator, I mean colon, and plus semicolon, sorry, and plus second, this one. So we implemented our current duration label. Now we have to implement our total duration label. In order to do that, I'm going to create a function called func total. Let it be total. Func total, and I'm going to copy this line of codes directly to here, and I'm going to change the player.current time to player.duration. It will return the total time of the song, and here the label name is total duration dot text. Okay, that clears that. Now we need to call this total function everywhere. Everywhere means here in the shuffle before we going to play the song. I think I can call here, and in the initial here, and in the back button here, and finally here in the play button. Okay, now the last thing remaining here is we need to implement our slider block. What we will do here is when user drag the slider, we're going to set the player time. We're going to stop the player. First we will stop the player, and we're going to set the player current time as slider value. It should be in time interval format. Slider dot value, and we're going to play the player. Okay, it's clear that one. Now we're going, let's run the program. I'm playing the song. You can see the current level is updating, and the total duration also updating. The slider is moving. We can change the song using, we can scrub the song using the slider. Okay guys, see you in the next video. So thanks for watching.